Today we'll be dividing decimal dividends by non-unit decimal divisors. We'll do the problem 1 and 52/100ths divided by 8/10ths. The first thing we'll do is write this problem as a fraction. The next thing we want to do is to remove the decimal point from our divisor. Our divisor and our denominator are the same thing. In order to remove the decimal point from the divisor, or the denominator, I can multiply my fraction by 1 in the form of 10 over 10. That gives me 15 and 2/10ths over 8. Now I can do that division problem. The decimal that remains in the dividend, I will just bring up, straight up on the line. 8 goes into 15 one time. 1 times 8 is 8. 15 minus 8 is 7. Then I'll bring down my 2. 8 goes into 72 9 times. 9 times 8 is 72. Now I'll subtract, and it comes out even. 15 and 2/10ths divided by 8 is equal to 1.9. Now I want to estimate to make sure that my answer is reasonable. I'm going to look at my 15.2 divided by 8 and think, is there a number that is close to 15 that 8 goes into evenly? Yes, there is. 16. 16 divided by 8 is 2, and 1.9 is very close to 2, so my answer is reasonable. To use this skill in a word problem, let's look at this word problem. If the distance of a race is 18.9 kilometers, and the volunteers set up water stations every 7/10ths of a kilometer, how many stations will there be? I need to take my 18 and 9/10ths kilometers, and I need to divide it into groups of 7/10ths a kilometer. So I'll write my division sentence. The next step will be to write that division sentence as a fraction. Now I need to remove my decimal from my divisor or my denominator, so I will multiply my fraction by 1 in the form of 10 over 10, as to not change the value of my fraction, but to make it easier to work with. That gives me 189 over 7. Now I will divide that. 7 goes into 18 2 times. 2 times 7 is 14. 18 minus 14 is 4. And I bring down my 9. 7 goes into 49 7 times. 7 times 7 is 49. I have nothing left. There will be 27 water stations in the race.